This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to add drop shadow in Canva. So I'm here with a presentation, a random kind of demo presentation open here on my Canva. Now we can add drop shadow to images and we can add it to text. So I'll show you first with an image. So let's just bring this image over here and make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. So any image that you have in Canva, you can do this with. So I have selected the image. We are going to click on Edit. Then we are going to come down to Effects and Shadows near the bottom, currently a football icon. So we click on that one. And then we've got these different options right here. We have the drop shadow is right there. If we click on that, you can see that when it's none, we have that. And when we add the drop, you see that it's affected there. So we can change the blur amount. We can also fiddle with the angle if we want to. Distance, you've got a ton of different options. You can make the distance for the drop shadow a bit more, and the intensity as well. You can even change the color right here if you wanted it like a blue instead. You have that option right there. So that is how to do it on an image. On text, let's go with this heading. I'm going to highlight that heading, then I'm going to click on Effects, and then I have shadow right here. You've got a whole bunch of other options as well, but there's a drop shadow applied. We can change the offset, even the direction, the blur amount again. That's quite a cool effect, quite subtle. We can change the transparency as well, and again we can do the color as well. But hopefully you found this video on how to add drop shadow to images and text in Canva useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.